Hi, this is Jeffrey, and in this video, we're going to take a look at objects and buildings never designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. Now, Frank Lloyd Wright is often considered America's greatest architect, and some even consider him to be the greatest architect that has ever lived anywhere in the world. Now, Frank Lloyd Wright had about 400 buildings built of his designs, and there were many other designs that were simply never built. Now, Frank Lloyd Wright believed that the same architect that designed the house should also design all of the furniture within it. He simply did not understand this disconnect where somebody hires an architect to build a house for them or to design a house for them, and then after it's built, they go out and purchase furniture that was designed by somebody else. He simply could not understand that. So I wanted to take this one step further. What if Frank Lloyd Wright designed not only furniture, which he did, but what if he designed objects such as televisions or telephones or a typewriter? What would it look like? Well, we can only speculate what it would look like, what those objects would look like. So I decided to ask an AI image generator to design these objects if Frank Lloyd Wright had designed them. Now, not only will we take a look at everyday objects that could have been designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, but we will also see some other building types that were never designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, such as train stations, airports, things like that, because he did not design every type of building that's out there. There were some that he simply was never commissioned to do. So I asked an AI image generator to create these images of either objects or buildings that he had never designed. And the results were quite interesting. Some of them definitely do look like they could have been designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. Some are sort of borderline. But of course, this is all speculation, and this is, all very subjective. So let's take a look at objects and buildings that were never designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, but now they can be designed inside of an AI image generator.